So today I am going to show you the step-by-step on how to apply a native camp. So let's go to my browser. So this is the official website of native camp. So I will put the link below so that you can be directly routed into this website. So here all you have to do is just to click the sign in button if you're done signing up, okay? Or if not yet, all you have to do is just to click the apply right here or here. So either, okay? And also you're going to type your email address. So for instance, I will just put the email address of my sister, for example. Okay, so let's try. Okay. So just click the apply if you already fill out the email address and password. Okay, so now, so this is the check your email. So that is why it is very important to put an active email address. Okay, because in the email address they will send you an confirmation email. So let's go to the email address. So, okay, so here you can see this email from Native Camp. Okay, so email verification. So all you have to do is just thank you for applying for an online English teacher position at Native Camp. This is your first step, verification of your email address. In order to continue the application process, you need to verify your email address. So please click the link below. Okay, so just click sign up. Okay, so here is the registration. There's a notification that will pop up in the website. So your email has been successfully verified. Notice, so currently the number of applicants for tutors are increasing due to COVID-19. Therefore, as for Filipino applicants, we are currently only okay. So therefore, as for Filipino applicants, we are currently only accepting experienced English tutors. As for other nationalities, experience is not required. However, this is only temporary, and once the COVID-19 converges, we will resume accepting instructors who have no experience in teaching English, including Filipino applicants. In addition, we will make sure to send you an email once we resume accepting English tutors with no experience. Until then, we humbly appreciate your patience as you wait for our announcement. Thank you for your understanding. Okay, so currently they are not accepting Filipino applicants who don't have any English teaching experience. Okay, so that is also because of the high numbers of applicants, Filipino applicants. So they're only accepting nationalities, other nationalities that has no experience. No? Okay. So aside from that, okay. So aside from that, this is the English proficiency test that you're going to undergo. Okay, so the requirements to apply are below. Okay, so just check this out. So your internet connection should have at least minimum required speed of 2 Mbps. Okay, so just click the next step, and here you have to fill out the information. Okay, so just fill this out. Okay, so wait for a while. Just fill out your full name, your middle name, and your surname, and the date of your birth. Okay, and the year of your birth, and please select a country where you were from. So, okay, and the nationality. Okay, Filipino. Time zone. Okay, so let's look for your specific time zone because this is very important. Okay. Where the okay, so where is there's no Manila here. Let's just click this on. Okay, and this email, this referrer email, so you can input my email address as your referrer or your referral, okay? But it's not necessarily referrer found. Okay, so you can input my email address if you want to. So this is just optional, okay? But I would appreciate if you will use my email address as your referrer. And thank you very much if you will do so. So let's just confirm this application. Okay, so confirm your account. So here we are going to confirm the account, and all you have to do is just to submit this one. Okay, so here is the steps that you need to pass in native cam. So this is the first step. You have to take the EPT or the English proficiency test. So this is the first step. Okay, so you have to test start. So this is a multiple choice question, 40 items, time limit is 20 minutes. Okay, so yeah. And then after that, if you will automatically know if you pass the EPT or not. And after that, if you pass, you can move on to the system check for the number two step. Okay, so step two is system check wherein they will check if if you own a what do you call this one? Like a headset with a microphone, as well as is your camera clear enough to be seen? Is your face clear to be seen? And also is your working station conducive for teaching? And even your environment are going to check it. And also your internet. You're going to determine it also. And automatically, the admin will tell you if you pass the system check or not. Okay, and for step three, if you pass the system check, they will automatically give you through email the learning kit. Okay, so the learning kit, or you can just actually access this to native camp in native camp, by the way. So the learning kit is where you will study the demo lesson material that you're going to use for the demo lesson. Okay, so there are two, the grammar beginner course and the grammar middle 32, if I'm not mistaken. The one with would you mind me closing the windows? And the grammar beginner course is the one entitled Why Do We Need NATO? Okay, so you have to familiarize the materials. Okay, so no need to memorize, just have to familiarize the class flow and all so that you'll be guided. And also, one tip that I'm going to give you is you have to familiarize yourself also with the basic grammar rules. Okay, so no matter how easy the material is, you have to be very careful also because remember that this is a demo lesson, so you are graded by the admin staff. So you have to be very careful also because they're going to give you a tricky question and you have to answer that. Okay, so you have to impress the admin for you to pass the demo lesson. Okay, so just give your best shot and good luck. And for after you pass the step 4, which is the demo lesson, that's the only time that you can have your account information wherein you can download or you can upload, by the way. rather, you can upload your self-introduction video and your self-introduction text and your TIN number if you're living in the Philippines, and other information, necessary information for your account information. And after that, you're good to go. You can start to teach now in native camp. Okay, so if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. Just message me personally if you want to. If you wanted to be guided, if you would like to have like a one-on-one session for me to help you out with the learning kit and how you're going to deliver it. So I would be willing to help you so. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that it was helpful. Okay, so for the English proficiency test. This is just a random English test. This is actually very easy, and I know that you can do it. Okay, so God bless, good luck, and hope to see you in Native Cab soon. Bye bye.